Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Yarmouth is a town located at the southwestern tip of Nova Scotia and serves as the largest commercial and service centre in the region. The town has a population of approximately 7,000 residents, while the surrounding municipality is home to many more. Its location on the Atlantic coast has shaped its history, economy, and identity for centuries. Today, Yarmouth remains one of the most important communities in southwestern Nova Scotia. The area was originally inhabited by the Mi'kmaq long before European settlement. During the 18th century, Acadian families settled throughout the region, followed by New England planters and loyalists.
Thank you very much.
Yarmouth was officially established in 1761 and grew rapidly due to its excellent harbor and access to major shipping routes. By the 19th century, the town had become one of Canada's leading shipbuilding and shipping centres. Yarmouth's harbor played a major role in its development. During the Age of Sail, local shipyards produced vessels that traveled around the world. The town became known for its successful merchants, sea captains, and international trade connections. Although the era of large wooden sailing ships eventually came to an end, the harbor remains one of the town's most important assets. Fishing remains one of the region's most important industries. Many residents work in lobster fishing, seafood harvesting, seafood processing, marine transportation, and related businesses. The lobster industry in particular has become a major economic driver, generating significant revenue throughout the region. Fishing continues to support many families and businesses in and around Yarmouth. Tourism also plays an important role in the local economy. Visitors come to explore the coastline, historic neighborhoods, museums, parks, and nearby beaches. The Cat Ferry service, which connects Yarmouth with Bar Harbor, Maine, helps bring visitors from the United States and supports tourism-related businesses throughout the area. One of Yarmouth's most distinctive features is its collection of historic homes. During the 19th century, wealthy sea captains and merchants built large homes that still line many of the town's streets today. These buildings provide a visible reminder of Yarmouth's prosperous maritime past and help give the community its unique character. Housing in Yarmouth remains relatively affordable compared to many other coastal communities in Canada. Average home prices often range between $250,000 and $400,000, obeying EPS, although waterfront properties and larger historic homes may sell for higher amounts. This affordability continues to attract retirees, families, and people looking for a lower cost of living. Residents have access to a wide range of services that are not always available in smaller Nova Scotia communities. Shopping centres, restaurants, healthcare facilities, recreation centres, schools, and government offices are all located within the town. This makes Yarmouth an important regional hub for surrounding communities. Today, Yarmouth combines its rich maritime history with the conveniences of a modern service centre. Its strong economy, active fishing industry, historic architecture, affordable housing, and coastal location continue to make it one of the recognizable towns in Nova Scotia. For many residents, Yarmouth offers a balance of history, opportunity, and connection to the sea that has defined the community for generations. Thanks for watching!